KARK4 News at 5.
Baptist Health in Little Rock is celebrating a year of helping improve the quality of life of Arkansans with the help from technology. Last year, MAKO robotic arm, also known as the Stryker's MAKO system, helped conduct its first assisted knee replacement surgery. Dr. John Yocum is an orthopedic surgeon specialist, and he's used this robot with his patients. He says it is the positive results in their recovery. That's just one of the reasons that he foresees more of these medical robots on the horizon.
So I think that will perhaps become the standard of care in the future for orthopedic joint replacement surgery and spine surgery, that robotic direction may well be what everybody's going to be doing at some point.
The robotic arm allows surgeons to predict where and how deep the incisions will be for patients before they go into the OR. On KARK.com, you'll hear from one of the doctor's patients about how she's doing after this surgery.